We take our antique road trip to 5 different stores and end up in Breaux, Louisiana. Stay tuned to the end so we can show you a map of everywhere we went. Good morning. Today is August 22nd. We're on our way to Abbeville. We just picked up some coffee. We're going antique shopping, or just, I guess, antique browsing.
Shopping.
Yeah.
I got money. Mama got paid.
Natalie's birthday is coming up, so we're going on a little adventure.
A date day.
Yeah.
We haven't had a date day.
Speaking of dates, last night was amazing.
We had a date night
We didn't film inside, but
we filmed a prior experience. It's a wine pairing. We do usually once a month, but this month they had 2. But we did video our first one, so you'll see that once he hits that footage. But last night,
this is probably before this one. So.
Yeah, what else? But yeah, sometimes you just need to disconnect. Like he's my best friend, so it's really fun to do those type of experiences together.
Yeah.
Especially pandemic wise. I mean, we have a teenage at home, so it's not a lot of together time. So it was really fun.
Never stop dating your partner.
No, and they really. We still very cautious. I'm still very cautious and responsible. But I mean, we gotta start trying to live our life here. But they made sure we felt safe. They put us, we always book way in advance. They put us in a low space away from everybody. And even if you in the general area, they're not at full capacity. So, but anyway, it's really nice. It's just a little place, literally along the bayou. We enjoy it. When the weather gets better, we would love to. We're gonna show y'all like the outside area.
I'll show you some more footage of that place and all right now.
The food was. We foodies, so
yeah.
We like to talk about it. We like to smell it. We like to taste it. We like to experience it, and then wine on top of that.
If you could find a chef that can pair wine perfectly with your meal, oh my God! Look, I tell you what. This lady the place we're going is called Dominique's Bistro.
And we went to,
yeah.
She's great, down to earth.
Perfect pairing for, like,
young lady.
Like, wow. We ate some truffle bread pudding
on the first one.
Wow, amazing. Yeah, I think I got a little bit of that. But
got pictures.
It just, yeah, so anyway.
A record shop. It's a tattoo shop now.
To South St. Charles Street.
Yeah. Pay attention.
Left onto South St.
gosh. Some interesting roads.
In a quarter mile, keep left onto L.
So our next stop is right here.
Yeah, it changes daily, really. So
Hourly lately.
that's how it is, and that's why I have so much fun.
I know, I love it. This is my favorite thing.
Okay, you got it on.
Yeah. And this needs to go out though.
Can I just scroll up and down?
Yeah, they're gonna come load all this in a little while. Hopefully, if those guys show up when they're supposed to. All right. I don't think so either. I mean, I do have some more in the warehouse that I'm going to bring in after a while, but
Okay.
I couldn't get any more in here.
Gotcha.
Like, I made stuff out last night, so
This chair right here, how much is it?
What you got?
I got some ball jars.
Some ball jars.
Oregon I saw price right.
So we're in Breaux Bridge right now. This is a real neat store. Oh, there we go. It's a double seat. I'm trying to figure out what it is. So it's a two-wheel bike, but side by side.
right. Let me squeeze by you.
Wow, that must be hard to ride. So, 2 seats, 2 handlebars, 2 sets of pedals, but only 2 wheels.
Oh, okay.
That looks cool. So we just finished
Antique Louisiana road trip, and we have so much more to do though.
Yeah, we discovered so many more shops. So,
Like this one.
Yeah, just like
What time
this.
they close?
But we ran out of
Oh, no, it's
time.
a burger joint.
We ran out of time. So what we're doing is we're gonna come and find us a place to eat. And we found a place what it was called?
In Breaux.
Sydney's Cafe. So we're gonna come and see what it's all about. Get us some food, and yeah, it's over there. But check this out. Just look at this.
Antique clocks.
I don't know if you can see up in there.
They just do antique clocks. I hate clocks.
This is an old part of town. There's
Piano bar?
yeah, sure it is a piano bar.
Huh. Or maybe it's a piano shop.
I don't know. But it's full of antiques over here. We had a real good day.
Oh my god,
It was awesome, huh?
What time y'all open till 5? We're fixing band practice. Band practice, cool.
Awesome. Alright, hello. So here we are. We are at Cafe Sydney May. What it says?
It's gonna be hard to open that door with this.
Oh. Alright, let's see what it's all about.
I love that one. Oh yeah. Yeah, take it away. What do you want? Let's cook. We have a special menu tonight.
Manure sauce, which is like, it's hard to explain. It's a savory sauce, and it's got like a hollandaise drizzle on it. Super good. We have this appetizer, these crawfish and tasso egg rolls. This is one of my favorite things I've ever had. Those are always a winner. And then for dessert, made some fresh peach cobbler. Okay. And we have some drink specials. We have these. We have a hickory smoked old fashioned. We're doing, Lauren, hit me with the drink specials. We're doing the hickory smoked old fashioned. Can I get anyone anything else right now? I think
we are good right now.
All right. Y'all enjoy. You're very welcome.
Vlog the trip tomorrow. That'd be a fun post.
So we headed out on a date night tonight. Look how beautiful she is. Yeah.